So today's topic is DS1307. It is a real-time clock, and this is DS1307 layout. Pin 1 and 2 is connected to crystal oscillator. Pin 3 is connected to lithium battery of 3 volts. Pin 4 is connected to ground. Pin 8 is connected to power supply. When this power supply is shortage, it will get connection from the lithium battery of 3 volt. And pin 6 is a SCL line where you will connect to the SCL pin of the ARM Cortex processor. And pin SGA, that is 7 pin, is connected to SGA pin of ARM Cortex M processor. And in the next program we will send data from here, as a master device to DS1307 as a slave device, and the data will be stored in the register, that means in the RAM of this in the RAM of the DS1307. So it will be like that. And it has in total 64 byte of RAM space, and the first address 0020X06 is for dedicated for storing the time and data dead values, and control register is 0x07, and the rest of the remaining 56 byte is used for data storage. So the address 0x00 is used for storing the value of second, and address 0x01 in RAM is used for storing the value of minutes. The address 0x02 in RAM of DS1307 is used for storing the value of hours. So for days, that, month, and year is 0x06. So we are going to send these values, all these values from the ARM Cortex M processor, that is master device, to this register, to this address or memory RAM space inside the DS1307, which is a slave device, through the SGA I2C bus in our next I2C code. And then then you are going to send this value 0x55. Then since this address location 0x00 is specific for the second, so you will know whatever you are supplying here. You can send any value here, but whatever is going to store in this location of RAM space of DS1307, so it will know, since this address is specific for second, the DS1307 and the ARM Cortex processor will know it is second. This address is specific for minutes, so whatever you are going to send from here can be sent, any value will be stored here, so the DS1307 and ARM Cortex will know that it is a minute value. So this is for hours, this is for days, this is for hours, and this is for month, this is for year. And And how, okay, this is not what I'm going to explain. This one is not needed in the code. Okay, you don't need to remember all of this. What I'm going to teach here, you don't need to remember for writing code. That's just I'm explaining how, okay, bit will be stored inside the memory here locations. Okay, so one address is 1 byte inside the RAM of DS1307. Okay, so if you're sending 55 second, okay, this 5 is in ones place and this 5 is in 10 place, so this 5 will be stored in the bit 0, 1, 2, 3 as this. Okay, and this 5 in 10 place will be stored in value bit 456 as this. Okay, and this 7 bit, this is clock hole, will be 0 this bit, because when clock hole is 0 the oscillation start. Oscillation means countdown of time. When it oscillates for a certain time it becomes 1 clock. That's why. And for minutes it is same. If you are sending 58 minutes, okay, then 8 is in ones place and 5 is in 10 place, so 8 will be stored in the bit 0 to 3 like this. This is 8, 1000 is 8, right? And this 5 will be stored in the bit 4 to 6, okay, as like this. 101 is 5, right? And hours is little different. The bit 6, okay, will be for 12 or 24-hour mode. When bit 6 is 0, it is 24-hour mode. When bit 6 is 1, it is 12-hour mode. When bit 5 is 1, it is PM. When bit 5 is 0, it is AM. When okay, this 5 and 4 can together also store for 20 hours plus, and 4, okay, alone can store as 10 hours plus. And this is for, what I mean is, okay, what I mean is, if it is 16 hours, okay, then this 6 is ones plus, so it will be stored in the bit 0 to 3. And this one is in 10 plus, so it will be stored in the bit 4. And suppose if it is 21 hour, then this will become 2. So 2, okay, will be stored in the 5 and 4 bit, because 5 and 4 bit can also, okay, use as 20 hours plus because of that. And then for sending, okay, day, okay, is difference. The last, okay, 3 bit will be storing 40. So Sunday, okay, is called as 0x01, Monday as 0x02, Tuesday as 0x03, then up to, okay, 0x06 will be Friday and 0x07 will be Saturday. 0x07 will be Saturday because there are 7, okay, days in a week. So if you want to write Sunday, it will be 0x01. That means G0 will be 1. And if you want to write Monday, then 2 will be 1, 0. Okay, there will be 1, there will be 0. And for that, if you want to write that 19, 9 is 10, 9 is 1's plus, okay, 9 is 1 plus, so it will be right in the bit 0 to 3. And 1 is 10 plus, so it will be right in the bit 4 and 5. Okay, 1 is right in the bit 4 and 5, and 9 is right in the bit 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, And then for months, month will be, if you want to write 10 means October. So if 0 is in zero's ones place, 0 is in 1 place, so it will be right in the bit 0 to 3. So it is written 0 in the 0 to 3 bits, and 1 is written in 1 will be right in the bit 4 only. 1 will be right in the bit 4 only. Here bit 5 is not used because there are no if bit 5 is used, then it is going to be at least 1. Say suppose 1 0, then bit 5 is used. 1 0 means 2, but there is no 20 countdown in the month, like 20 months, like that. There is nothing like that. So 4 bit is sufficient, because 1 is enough in 10 place, because there are 11 months, 12 months, because of that. So 1 will be written in the 4 bit here, and zeros will be written in the bit 0 to 3. So it is written in the bit 0 to 3. And the last is year. Year is, if you want to write 9, 09 means 2009, because only the last 2 bit will be stored by the DS1307. So 09 means 2009. And if 26 means 2026. So this 2 will be written in this bit 4 to 7, because it is in 10 place. 2 is in 10 place, so years 10 means it will be written in bit bit 4 5 6 7. So here it is written 2, and 6 will be written in the bit 0 1 2 3, because it is 1's place, and 6 is in 1's place, so it will be written in bit 0 1 2 and 3. So you don't need to remember all this in